Welcome to my channel. Naan. Let's make delicious naan at home. We have salt, sugar, kalonji, egg, purpose flour, yeast. Take hot milk and add yeast. Leave it for 10 minutes. We take purpose flour in bowl. Added kalonji, salt and sugar, egg oil. Mixed. Add yeast. Mixed well. Leave it for 2 hours. Now roll it into a round shape. Put in tandoor. Alhamdulillah. Ready for eat. Soft, delicious, and tasty naan make at home with home ingredients. Thanks for watching.